This video is going to teach you how to properly cook tapioca pearls or sago pearls. The details of water to tapioca ratio are in the details below. Bring your water to a rolling boil. Then add in your tapioca pearls and stir it periodically. After about 15 minutes, they're going to be almost done. You're going to see they have white little specks in the middle. And at that point, you want to turn off the heat and remove the pot from the heat. Put a lid on it and let the tapioca pearls rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can make a simple syrup solution at this time. I used honey with some hot water and I put it aside to cool. Now you'll see that after 15 minutes, the tapioca pearls are totally clear inside. There's going to be very few of them that have any white specks. They're going to be clear, bouncy, not mushy, and don't let them rest in the hot water longer than that so they stay nice with a nice bite, not mushy. Rinse them under cold water. And look at those beautiful, properly cooked tapioca pearls. They're clear, they're translucent, just super delicious, bouncy, ready to use in your desserts. Store them in a simple syrup solution if you're not going to use them right away, and in an airtight container within the refrigerator. Thanks a lot. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more Asian recipes.